Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into a company that tinkers with light and technology, and we're going to see if their latest filings shine a light on a bright future or cast some shadows on their performance. Before we get started, if you love cutting through the corporate jargon to get to the real story, make sure you are subscribed. And for more community chats and insights, join our Discord server linked in the description below. We are looking at an amended filing from LightPath Technologies Incorporated. Now, this isn't a brand new report, but rather an update to a previous report. Think of it like adding a new chapter to a story that has already been told. The big reason for this update, it is all about a recent business deal where LightPath acquired another company called G5 Infrared Incorporated. This filing gives us a peek at how that acquisition is being accounted for, especially looking at some pro forma financial statements. So, what exactly is LightPath Technologies? They are in the business of optics and photonics, creating components that deal with light, think specialized lenses, and other sophisticated parts that are crucial for things like defense, the medical field, and even telecommunications. They are publicly traded, and you can find them on the Nasdaq stock market under the ticker symbol LPETH. The core of this amendment is to show us what the company's financial picture looks like as if the acquisition of G5 Infrared, which happened back in February of 2025, had always been a part of LightPath. This helps investors understand the combined entity's potential performance. It's like looking at the future without the immediate adjustments of integrating a new company. Now let's get to the meat of it, the financials. This amended report includes what is called pro forma financial statements. These aren't the actual official numbers from the company's books yet, but rather an educated guess or a projection of what the combined results would look like had the deal closed at the beginning of the reporting period. It's a way to show the expected impact of the acquisition on their earnings. We are particularly interested in the statement of operations for the fiscal year, ending the 30th of June 2025, which would cover the period after the G5 Infrared acquisition. Looking at these pro forma statements, we want to see how the revenue and expenses have shifted. For instance, if G5 Infrared brought in a lot of sales, we'd expect to see a significant jump in the combined revenue. We also need to consider any new costs associated with the acquisition, like integration expenses or potentially higher operating costs if G5 Infrared had different overhead structures. The goal here is to see if the acquisition is expected to be accretive, meaning it will add to the company's overall earnings power, without the actual detailed numbers from Exhibit 99.1 directly presented here. We are left to understand this filing is presenting that pro forma information for analysis by investors. The significance of this type of filing is that it signals management's view on the immediate financial impact of a substantial acquisition. It's a carefully crafted snapshot intended to guide investor expectations. So, what is the big picture from LightPath's perspective? By acquiring G5 Infrared, they are likely expanding their reach within the infrared and photonics markets. Infrared technology is a rapidly growing field, with applications ranging from thermal imaging and sensing to advanced defense systems. This move suggests LightPath is betting on the increased demand for these specialized technologies. It's a strategic play to diversify their product offerings and tap into new revenue streams. This particular report is signed off by Albert Miranda, the Chief Financial Officer. CFOs are the guardians of the company's financial health, and their signature on an SEC filing means they stand by the accuracy of the information presented, especially these pro forma figures that project the combined company's performance. It's a signal of confidence from the financial leadership. Now, looking at this filing more broadly, LightPath Technologies appears to be making a significant strategic move by acquiring G5 Infrared. This acquisition is about growth and expanding into a specialized and potentially lucrative market segment. The pro forma statements are designed to give us an early indication of the financial benefits management expects from this deal. However, it is crucial to remember these are pro forma numbers, not the audited results. The real test will come in future filings when we see the actual performance of the combined entity. Integration can be tricky, and unexpected costs can arise. We need to watch if the synergy between LightPath and G5 Infrared truly materializes, leading to increased profitability and shareholder value. A key risk is always the cost of integration and whether the acquired company's operations will truly mesh with the existing business without unforeseen disruptions or financial strain. The opportunity, of course, is significant if they can leverage G5 Infrared's expertise to capture a larger share of the growing infrared market. Alright, that is our breakdown of this amended filing from LightPath Technologies. What is your take on this acquisition and what it signals for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this deep dive valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward financial deconstructions. And don't forget to check out the Discord, linked in the description, for more discussions and community insights. Thanks for watching. See you next time.